That sound is the sound of a rookie mistake. A single wrong move with the wrong buffer can leave your car's paint job with permanent swirl marks. But what if you had a tool that not only made that impossible but could actually erase those mistakes? After testing the top models on the market, we found the definitive top 5 car buffers for 2025. One of them has a correction system so intelligent, it's like having a pro detailer guiding your hand. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Let's find your perfect match. Starting at number 1. Adams Polish's Swirl Killer. Best overall. Adams Swirl Killer is robust but also comfortable and ergonomic. When running the 9mm Swirl Killer on our car hood, the concave rubber handhold did an excellent job of reducing vibrations. Besides the vibration reduction, the rubber sleeves and handholds would protect the Swirl Killer if dropped. Adams Swirl Killer, it also comes in 12-, 15-, and 21-inch versions, comes with a 5-inch backing pad and is compatible with any 5-inch hook and loop pad or bonnet. But, phew! Was that sticky fabric strong? Prying these pads off the backing plate was like pulling gum from beneath a school desk, not impossible, but not easy. That is not a negative in our eyes. Because of these excellent features and its overall performance, we placed Adams Polish's Swirl Killer right at the top of our best car buffers list. Number 2. Griot's Garage G9. Most ergonomic. A staple in the car buffing world, the Griot's Garage G9 easily earned a spot in our update of this test. Ergonomically, it felt great, and the G9 includes a handy rubber bumper for setting it upside down when not in use. A polarizing feature on this buffer is the on-off trigger. While some prefer a variable speed trigger, others lean towards the on-off approach with adjustments to speed via the dial. However, the G9's on-off button lets you set your speed, click it on, and take your fingers off the trigger until you're ready to turn it off. While it did polish our scratched-up hood with ease, we noticed a bit more vibration compared to others in this test. Additionally, the tool alone does not come with any pads. However, you can buy kits that do, such as the Starter Kit or Boss Kit. Overall, the ergonomics and performance throw it right into the fold with the best. Number 3. Chemical Guys TORQX. Best for professional use. If you're looking for a versatile heavy-duty buffer, the Chemical Guys TORQX has you covered. Though powerful, the TORQX unit is quite dense, weighing in at 8.6 pounds. During the hood challenge, we experienced some slight fatigue in the left arm, but that's to be expected when holding a buffer going 4,200 OPM. While Chemical Guys suggests using their proprietary HexLogic pads, the unit utilizes hook and loop backing, leaving you with compatibility for many other pads of your choosing. Additionally, the unit has an interchangeable backing plate, making the TORQX adaptable for both large surface areas and smaller contours. The backing plates are sold separately, however. If you're looking for a product that can adapt the way a professional needs to, Chemical Guys TORQX buffer is the unit for you. Number 4. Maxshine M21 Pro. Most adjustable. With a lofty price comes lofty expectations, and the Maxshine answered the bell. Speed settings range from 1 to 6, with half-step increments in between each for even more choices. We also appreciated the variable speed trigger for smaller sections. We noted the overall feel of the tool as comfortable, especially when paired with the optional handle for better control. Though it causes quite a racket at nearly 90 decibels, it doesn't vibrate as much as other buffers in this test. The power cord measures just shy of 11 feet, which was helpful when moving around our test hood. However, the price is no joke. Add to the fact that the buffer doesn't come with pads on its own, they're sold separately, you'll be investing heavily with this tool. That being said, we feel it matches its price point in performance and comfort. If you prefer a variable speed trigger with incrementally adjustable speed settings, this is the one for you. Number 5. Worx WX856L PowerShare. Best for RVs, boats, and toy haulers. Larger surfaces will be a breeze with the cordless Worx WX856L. The powerful 10-inch, battery-operated orbital buffer might not be the best fit for a car with intricate peaks and valleys, but if you're looking to buff that trailer, boat, or toy hauler, this is the unit for you. We particularly love the versatility of the handle. The single handhold at the top is perfect for horizontal surfaces, and the large steering wheel handle would absolutely come in handy on tall vertical surfaces, such as on motorhomes. One quibble with the Worx unit was that the bonnets provided seemed just a smidge too small and fit a bit too snug, like those jeans you wore in your 20s but keep around just in case. Small bonnets aside, everything else about this unit is large and powerful, making it the perfect fit for those looking to spruce up their trailer for the summer. Better still, buy it direct from Worx and you'll get a 3-year limited warranty. And that's how you transform your ride from dull to dazzling. Whether you're a weekend warrior or aiming for showroom perfection, one of these buffers is your key to a flawless finish. So, which one has your name on it? Let me know your choice in the comments below. If this guide saved you from making a costly mistake and helped you find the perfect tool, please show your support by liking this video, sharing it with your car crew, and subscribe for more pro-level detailing tips. Until next time, keep it shiny.